Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I missed you guys. I am going to be reviewing for you today another wig by the Outre Wigpop line, and her name is JASMIYAH, and this is what she looks like. I will be reviewing the color DR Honey Auburn, and if you are interested in what she looks like, why don't you stick around because I have more information. Let's talk about some of the specifications. So this wig actually is 20 inches long. She is very full with curls. We're gonna see what she looks like on, if it still has that fullness when we place it on my head in a few minutes. So it does come in trendy colors according to the stock card here. This particular wig can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat because of the heat resistant fibers within the wig itself. And it is a synthetic wig. So this particular wig does have the adjustable band. We have a comb at the nape of the wig, and we do have two combs that are placed on the right and left sides of the wig. We'll be back in a second. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and I invite you to join the Everything Beauty's YouTube gang. So our family would love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.